It's Thanh-Thanh time. Come on, everyone. Let's go explore. Let's have some fun. Hi, everyone. It's me, Thanh-Nha. Today we're going to open slime. We're going to make them. Let's unbox. Look, guys. I unboxed it. Look, guys. I asked my brother to join me.
Hello, my name is Tyson.
Okay, let's look what we got here. So we got confetti and pink pods and even fragrant dropper, and it's cherry flavor. We have mixing tubes.
And we have bags of borax, and a mixing bowl, and a mixing spoon.
Let's make slime. Okay, we just put water on this one.
And then we add one package into this.
What's that? I know. I think. Look, I want this one.
Okay, Tanya, I think you can go for it.
You can do it. Okay, we just add some water. Now they're our packet. Now we can put it on the lid and shake it. Look, guys.
Oh my god! I think that's it. Right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now we have to leave it for 10 minutes.
While we're waiting for the other one, we decided to make another one.
Let's shake it. Mine's green and Tanya's purple. Oh my god, like a glow stick.
Look, guys, mine almost looks like a glow stick. There's pink, purple, white, and green.
Okay, let's dump it out. Hi. Oh my god, mine's stuck. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh, please. Mine's so sticky.
Wow!
Oh,
Look at mine,
That's gross.
guys. Whoa! Let's do it right now.
oh god.
Look, guys, I picked glittery gold. Whoa. This is so cool. Look, guys, it's not wet.
Wow. Make my robot. Inside.
Wow.
Here.
Guys, seashells. Oh, we forgot the fragrance.
So nice.
If you do it like so much, you can do dark. I don't want to do dark. Ooh, you want to see this, guys? Wow. pick?
project.
What should I pick? I know. I could pick invisible donut.
That's not a donut, Tanya.
That looks like invisible donut. So sticky in the end. Is this fun?